Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing a short video just to show the graphene coating and the way it beads and slides off the paintwork. I wanted to wash the car today, but unfortunately with this weather it can't be done. So I just thought I'd show natural weather and how the graphene coating affects the paint. So you can see beautiful beading. And the car is dirty. It has a lot of dust on it from the backburning fires that they've been doing here in Sydney. So you can see water sliding off as well. It's not raining as hard, but when it rains hard, the water just glides off. This is an awesome product. Awesome. I'll show you the difference between what happens to that car and then the difference with this car that just has wax on it. Notice the difference? So you can see how the water is just sliding off the bonnet. Amazing. Just glides off. So slick. Even with the dust under it, a whole film of dust from the fires, it still just glides off. So this is after 1 week. Today's Sunday, and last Sunday we applied the graphene coating to the AMG. So it hasn't been washed yet. We'll see what the difference is going to be after we wash it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the rain has stopped. And let's have a look at the condition of the paint. We'll see if there's any water stains left on the paint, as the Ethos Graphene Coating says on the tin that it doesn't leave any water stains. And from what we can see here, it's true. Excellent product, fantastic. It says that it won't leave stains, and it hasn't. I'm very, very impressed. It's an awesome product. I highly recommend it. I'm very happy that I chose it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we'll leave it there. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, pound that subscribe button.